you're welcome back to my channel again. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Comfort at nutricomply.com. I'm so excited to share with you another nutritious and delicious recipe. Without any further ado, let's just dive in straight into today's recipe. God bless you. Today I'm excited to share with you my first beans recipe on this channel. You know, we all know beans, most especially those of us from Africa, because this is the major source of our protein back home. So the major ingredients in my recipe today is beans. And I will be using just few ingredients. So but the major ingredient is beans. You may be wondering that am I going to make akara or moi moi? No. So I'm making something that is totally different from that of akara and moi moi. There are so many things, you know, that we can use our beans to make. So today I want to share one of my beans recipe with you. So I have beans there. Yes, I'm going to use just few ingredients. So another ingredient is my carrots. So I'll be adding carrots to it, and my spices, I seasoning, onions, and my binder. So I will be using flour, wheat flour as my binder. If you have a problem with wheat flour, you can use any other type of binder. You can use Santagon. There are so many other non-calorie binder that we have, but I don't really have much problem using wheat flour binder as my binder because I'm just using little, so it doesn't really, not going to have much effect on it. And to shape my recipe, I will be using piping bag. So if you don't have piping bag, if you have Ziploc is going to serve the same purpose. So the first thing that I will be doing now is to go ahead to cook my beans. So cook the beans. So I have inside my pot already water. It's around 2.5 liter of water inside the pot. So I'm going to allow the water to boil before adding my beans. So now that the water is at the boiling point temperature, so I will be adding my beans. So I'm going to cover it and cook for like 25 minutes, between 25 to 30 minutes. So while the beans is cooking, so I will be grating the carrots. So I'll be using this side of the grater. So I will also grate my onion. So I've cooked the beans for 30 minutes and this is what I have. So it's tender but not too soft. So I'm going to drain the excess water. So the next thing to do is to mash the beans. You can use your fork to do that, or you can use potato mash, but I will be doing that using my food processor. So I will pour part of it in my food processor. So I'm just gonna I will be adding my seasoning and spices now. So I'm going to mold the mashed beans. So I'll be transferring it inside the piping bag. Cut the yeah, this is what I have. This is it. So I will be going ahead now to freeze it for like 10 to 15 minutes. You may skip that step, and you can go ahead and bake it or fry it. So I will be taking them to the freezer. So there is what I have after freezing it. It's already frozen. What I will be doing now, I will go ahead to air fry some, and I will also bake some of it. Then air fryer. So we set the temperature to 266 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake for 20 minutes. The remaining one, I've already preset my oven to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. I will also bake. I will bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. This is the final product here after air frying or baking. Is crispy outside and soft inside. The beans finger tastes so good. It's so good and nice, and it has its own taste, unique taste, very, very unique taste, and it is an excellent source of, being a beans product is an excellent source of protein, fiber, healthy carbohydrates, minerals, and vitamins, most especially vitamin B complex. So it's a complete food, and it's also basically plant-based products. I didn't add any animal ingredients, so it's basically plant-based products. Thank you for watching. God bless you. This is the end of today's video. See you in my next video, when I'll be bringing you another nutritious and delicious recipe. If you have not subscribed, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button. And if you really love the video, please give it a thumbs up. God bless you. Bye.